Good morning there, sir. I'm Samuel Kinsitala and I'm here to present my futuristic computer design.
Okay, so tell me your design.
So my design is called Dock in Hand.
Okay, tell me about it.
Yes, sure. So my computer design is called Dock in Hand. So let me give you a brief description. Dock in Hand is a device, is an almost sized like phone, and all you need to do is you scan your skin and it will determine what disease or illness you have. Let's start off with the history of computers. I would like to consider my design as a sixth generation computer, but because we are here in 2024, I'd say it's a fifth generation computer. Now, my design requires almost perfect AI recognition. So, as of now, we do not have that yet. But my design requires AI and processors that belong in the fifth generation, which uses ultra large scale integrated circuits. Next is our classification of computing system. Now, my design only consists of three main parts. First is AI. That is the most crucial part in my design because it is the one that recognizes your illness and will be needed a perfect or almost perfect AI recognition. Next is the camera. Now we all know what a camera is. Now we need a camera for it to detect or capture your skin. Next is the hardware. The hardware is a phone. Not really a phone, but it is sized like a phone and it looks like a phone. And it everything and every information is in that. All you need to do is just scan, let the AI do its thing, and tada, the result will be displayed. Now, classification of computers. First, by purpose, it is a special purpose. Now, this is because this is used for medical purposes, not by general use or for day to day, or you could use it day to day, but this is for special purpose, which is medically to determine whatever you have, whatever illness or disease you have on your hand. Next is by technology. Now it is an all digital technology because it is on a phone. There is no analog, there is no hybrid such thing. It is all digital because everything will be displayed on a phone. It will only need to capture your skin. That's it. It's all digital. Next, size. Now because it is just like a phone, it is considered a microcomputer. Now, as to modern architecture, obviously I am using Harvard architecture rather than von Neumann architecture because of the compatibility and because it is very efficient rather than the von Neumann architecture. And since we are also in this fifth generation, everybody uses Harvard architecture, although it's very expensive. In computer software, first system software. Now, my design personally uses, and I would like it for it to use the Apple for its system software, for its OS, and for our application software rather. It will use Dock in Hand. Personally, the Dock in Hand app because it is not like any other phone which will have other apps. It will only have Dock in Hand rather. Next for our programming language, so everything will be coded into Python. So that is it. Now, computer networks. Well, knowing because of its portability of my device, it will use router or wireless connections. So Wi-Fi is very important. It will not need anything that will like Ethernet cable to connect to the internet. No, all you need is just Wi-Fi or a router. So that is it. That is my product. So I hope in the future it will eventually come or a similar design, or maybe I will be able to make it. And that is it. That's all. Thank you.